Alright, let's look at the homework 6.4, problem number 8. Alright, so we're going to use log differentiation to find the derivative of this guy. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so first we're going to, let's see, take the natural log of both sides. Alright, so you're going to get the natural log of y is equal to, alright, so you have a natural log. And I don't like square root, so I'm going to write it as a 1/2 power. So we're going to have x minus 2 over x to the 8th power plus 4. Then you have 1/2 power. Alright, then you can see that if you have a power here, using one of the log properties, we can put it in front of the log. So let's go ahead and do that. So this is going to be 1/2 natural log of x minus 2 over x to the 8th plus 4. Alright, and one more step. If you have a division inside, we can write it as a subtraction. So it's a 1/2, it's just a constant in front. Then we can write it as a subtraction. So natural log of x minus 2 minus natural log of x to the 8th power plus 4. Alright, so we haven't taken the derivative, so we just rewrote it so that we can take the derivative a little bit more easily. Alright, so now we take the derivative with respect to x. Right, this will give us put whatever inside the log on the bottom and take the derivative, put it on top. Right, so 1/2 is just a constant, so I'll just put it outside. Right, then derivative of natural log of x minus 2 would be, so put x minus 2 on the bottom and take the derivative of that, put it on top. Right, derivative of that would be, so it's a negative, put x to the 8th power plus 4 on the bottom, take the derivative, put it on top, so 8x to the 7th power. Right, then all you really have to do is multiply both sides by y, because this is the guy we're looking for. We're interested in finding that guy, so we're going to multiply by y. Right, so this is going to be y prime is equal to, right, and so it's going to be 1/2 is there. You can distribute if you want, but I'll just leave it like that. 1 over x minus 2 minus 8x to the 7th power over x to the 8th power plus 4. Right, then y is the initial original function, so we multiply by square root of x minus 2 over x to the 8th power plus 4. Alright, so this is the derivative we were looking for. Alright, so let's type this guy in. Alright, so what we found was 1/2, so 1 over 2. Alright, then you have a parenthesis and a 1 over x minus 2. Alright, and a minus, it's going to be a 8x to the 7th, so 8x to the 7th power, and divided by x to the 8th power plus 4, right, then parenthesis, and then you're going to have a big square root, so square root, and we have a fraction inside. Then you have x minus 2 on top, and then x to the 8th power plus 4. Right, so that's that. So let's go down and submit for testing. Alright, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.